Certified Kubernetes Administrator, CKA. The Certified Kubernetes Administrator, CKA, is a professional certification offered by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, CNCF, that validates an individual's expertise in administering Kubernetes clusters. It demonstrates proficiency in various tasks such as deploying applications, configuring networking, managing storage, and ensuring cluster security within Kubernetes environments. Lesson 1 Introduction. Lesson 2 Kubernetes Overview. Lesson 3 Setup Kubernetes. Lesson 4 Kubernetes Concepts. Lesson 5 YAML Introduction. Lesson 6 Kubernetes Concepts, Pods, Replica Sets, Deployments. Lesson 7 Networking in Kubernetes. Lesson 8 Services. Lesson 9 Microservices Architecture. Lesson 10 Conclusion.